viewers, welcome back to another episode of Max's Motor Shop. Today I got here a Can-Am Outlander 700 and we're going to be doing a quick oil change, so let's get to it. This process will be the same for the 500 and the 700. The first thing I'm going to do is warm up the bike to ensure a complete and rapid drain. Today I'm going to be using the Can-Am oil change kit. It comes with everything you need: oil, filter, O-rings, and crush washers. I'll need an 8mm, a 17, and some tools to get the plastic plugs off. I'll include a link in the description below for some of my favorite tools and the oil change kit. Part number 779252. Okay, now we're ready to drain the oil. We're going to go down from the right side of the vehicle. The drain plug is located right here in this little slot. It is a 17mm plug. Try not to drop the drain plug. While the oil drains, I'm going to lift up the seat, remove this plastic panel, and this plastic panel underneath the fender. There are 2 plastic plugs at the bottom and 2 at the top. Now we can make sure the drain pan is aligned and remove the oil filter cover. Now I'm going to slide in my new oil filter, rubber side first. I'll put a new O-ring on the cap. Don't forget to coat it with oil. Then I'll line it up, wiggle it into place, and install the bolts. Before I reinstall any of the covers, I'm going to give it a little spray down with the brake clean and clean up my mess. Now I'm going to pop the covers back on. I do have to say, this new system is sure nice to work on. Now I'm going to slide on a new drain plug washer and reinstall the drain plug. The torque spec is 20 foot-pounds. The kit comes with 2.5 liters of oil. I'm going to dump in 2 and then check it and see where I'm at. It's a good idea to wipe away the dirt on your oil fill before filling your oil. Now that I got 2 in, I'm going to dip the stick and see where it's at. Right at the bottom of the hash marks. Once again, we're going to fire the machine up, warm it up, and then double check the oil level. Now I just need to double check the oil level. To properly check the oil on this machine, we need to clean the dipstick, thread it all the way back in, pull it back out, and check it. Right at the bottom of the hash marks again. Looks like I'm going to add some more. While we're here, we might as well check the air filter. First, I'm going to twist these plastic retainers. Then I'm going to push this side button here and pull the front console off. The air box is on the left side of the vehicle, right here. There are 2 metal clips, 1, 2, and pull. Now pull the air filter out. This one doesn't look too bad. I'm going to clean the foam, give it a fresh oil, and then put it back in. Today I used some spray-on air filter oil. If your filter gets contaminated underneath the foam and into the paper, you'll need to replace it. If you take a look inside your air box, the intake duct is right here. The filter needs to slide onto that duct. Then just make sure it's pushed down into place and reinstall the lid. In a later video, I'll show you how to do a diff oil change. But for now, if you'd like to check the oil level, on the rear diff, remove that plug right there and make sure the oil is level with the hole. And on the front diff, go around to the other side and remove that plug right there, same thing. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my oil change on the Can-Am Outlander 700. Ride safe.